Hey everybody that's been keeping track here on this project. Wanted to welcome you back to the Lewis Burr house. A lot of stuff has been going on since we last checked in with you. We're going to do a full walk around on the outside and then show you some of the inside works that are happening. On the outside, we're in the process of building the front porch back in place. We're looking at some of the corbels and brackets and front porch posts that have to go back in to recreate the original look. Still have a lot of exterior wood siding to go back on. The inside, all the drywall's finished, primered, and ceilings are painted, and they're in the process of finishing out the final sand on the hardwood floors and then getting ready to start the polyurethane. So today's a Friday. As of Monday, the hardwood floors will be finished, and then we'll be back inside working on trim, setting doors, and getting ready for cabinets to go in. So hope you enjoyed this update. Take a look. Front bay window, you can see we've got some areas where there used to be trim. You can see we've got some sawtooth trim, and then the brackets or corbels that would be running vertically up under the box gutter. You can see the old shadow lines from those. So we've taken measurements on them. We're going to try to find old original corbels and sawtooth trim to put back in place and put back some of the original details that are here. So hopefully this front bay window will just pop on the front of the house once it's all back together. So it's a good day here checking out the hardwood floors that are getting refinished. You can see them behind me here. We've definitely got some beautiful floors going on here. These are all poplar here on the second floor, and then everything on the first floor, we'll go downstairs and look at that in a second. Looks like it's pine, possibly heart pine. So we'll go through, take a look at some of these. We've been doing a lot of patching and plugging where pipes came through and things like that, but man, these are gonna be gorgeous, so check them out. Here we are on the second floor of the house. We've got an area at the top of the steps. When we got the house, water had been running through it for a lot of years. So this whole area, you can see where we've patched in with the different wood, was completely rotted through. We replaced the floor joist there in that spot. Could not find wood that would match up, the width of the wood or the grain of the wood to match up. So we ended up going with a different room with an oak in this spot at the top of the landing, just to get an accent area to keep hardwood here without having to put in carpet or anything else at the top. So that's patched in. It'll be interesting to see how this all turns out once the poly goes on it next week. Get it to scale. Yeah, so these are all the pine floors. We're guessing they might be a heart pine. And again, next week we'll have these polyed and get to see the finished look of them.
Okay, just want to make sure.
So on the front porch, we're building it back as it originally would have been. We do have this old photo showing the front entry door, and it shows the decorative trim on the front porch roof, and then the corbel brackets that are on the porch post. So we're going to go back, try to recreate that original look, pulling it back to a period correct house.